Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a delicious curry sauce. To begin, gather your essential ingredients. You'll need aromatic vegetables like onions, garlic, and ginger, along with your favorite curry powder or a blend of spices. Don't forget a liquid base, such as creamy coconut milk or a flavorful broth, and some oil or ghee for sautéing. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's build that incredible flavor base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil or ghee in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 finely chopped onion and cook it gently until it softens and becomes translucent, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Next, stir in 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 inch of freshly grated ginger. Sauté these aromatics for just 30 seconds until they release their wonderful fragrance, being careful not to burn them. With your aromatics fragrant, it's time to introduce the spices. Stir in 2 tablespoons of your chosen curry powder, ensuring it coats all the vegetables. Cook the spices for about 30 seconds, allowing them to toast slightly and deepen their flavor. Then, pour in 1 can of rich coconut milk or 2 cups of savory broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally to combine everything beautifully. Finally, let's bring it all together. Reduce the heat to low and let your curry sauce simmer gently for 15 minutes. This allows all the flavors to meld and deepen beautifully. Remember to stir occasionally to prevent any sticking. Taste and season with salt and pepper as needed, adjusting to your preference. For an extra smooth sauce, you can optionally blend it before serving. Enjoy your homemade curry.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.